we're going to talk about today is the new dual language function or feature, which is part of the 7.2 update. So this is basically the ability to show your site in two languages. This particular site is set up for English and Welsh. The way it works is when a provider creates an opportunity, or the administrator creates an opportunity, you now see two boxes which appear for each field. So opportunity name, obviously the English version, the Welsh version. You put in the details. So if it's netball coach, now I don't know any Welsh, so I have to apologise. So I'm just going to put in Welsh netball coach, so you can see the difference. Description, Welsh, description. And as you can see, we've got the same thing here for perks and for skills required. So if I just put in some basic details, you'll see how it looks to the volunteer. Same for travel information. Just to give you an idea, Welsh travel. And once we're happy with it, choose a starting date, add the opportunity. Once it's done its work, set the opportunities created. So to a volunteer who logs into the system, in this example in Wales, they get the option up in the top right hand corner to change it to Welsh. And then everything basically under there appears in Welsh. If they're viewing the opportunity, so if I started typing in netball, okay, Welsh netball coach, so it's picking up. Remember that's the Welsh title, so it wouldn't say Welsh netball coach, it would be in Welsh, that particular title. And the same for the description as well. And for the same for skills and for the other dual field inputs that we saw when we're actually creating the opportunity. The rest of the screens actually have been changed as well, as you can see here. Now there is some gaps, so obviously when we create new functions, there is a slight delay while we wait for our for the Welsh translations to be created. Then we have to update them through the back end. But you know, generally speaking, the vast majority, kind of 99% of the system is translated into that second language. So that's it. I hope that's useful to you. Any other questions, or if when you're using the system in Wales, you come across anything which is not translated and you believe should be translated. Obviously there's some things like, you know, names of organisations which obviously there isn't a translation for, but anything which you believe should be translated, then feel free to drop us an email or let us know, and we'll be glad to include that in the next translation update. Okay, thank you for your time.